Alright, we just took in a 2022 Ram TRX truck. It has the HELLCAT 6.2 liter supercharged engine. This thing is immaculate. No scratches, dings, dents anywhere. It's got 35-inch mud tires on the factory wheels. I believe it's a factory exhaust. It just sounds really good. I don't know if you can hear it on the camera here or not. Man, color white just looks amazing on this truck. It's been ceramic coated. Windows are tinted. Has the lights there on the hood even. This thing just looks amazing. I'll show you the inside real quick. It's got the large touchscreen, suede and leather steering wheel. Seats are leather and suede. Carbon audio. It's got the all-weather floor mats. It even has speakers in the roof. But if you're interested, it's online for $88,000. It has only 17,000 miles on it. Brand new, this truck was $99,000. And guess what? We have it in stock. Link will be below. Thanks, guys.